Good afternoon everyone, I'm Efren Emondelin. So ang ako ang i-present day karon is design critic. So ang i-critic nako nga app is GCash, but before ana i-introduce na nako kung unsa ang design critic. So introduction. Design critic is an activity that takes place when a UX designer wants to obtain constructive feedback on a design with the goal of improving the design. When a design is a point of a development where it can be required further, it is time for a design critic session. In order to get wide-ranging, varied feedback, design critic frequently requires interacting with a number of people. In this report, we are giving a task to critique the design of a popular app or website. This critique must include the strength, positive, and weaknesses, negative things that meet our case. Judgment on concrete reasons must be done by following the usability goals and design principles of HCI. So, ang usability goals diri na bilong ang effectiveness, efficiency, safe to use, utility, easy to learn, and easy to remember. Then, ang design principles kay ang visibility, feedback, constraint, mapping, and consistency of affordance. So, based on the aspects above, akong i-critic ang isa ka napili na ko nga known o usually ginagamit sa mga tao nowadays, which is ang GCash. So, what is GCash or unsay purpose saya ang design? So, GCash is a globally recognized micropayment platform that turns a smartphone into a virtual wallet for safe, quick, and easy money transfers. So, with GCash, you make donation, buy prepared cards, pay bills, mail money, shop online, and even mix purchase without using cash. It is very convenient and easy to use. You can download it in your Play Store for smartphone or in your Apple Store for iPhone user. So open nyo sa GCash kung inyo aning i-explore mo ninyong makita nga mga features sa aspects of strengths and weaknesses. So ang strengths, very accessible siya and convenient to use. Then, easier to purchase goods and services using GCash. Then, the apps allows to pay bills, loans, online shoppings, expenses book, and tickets, online business transactions, and more. Then, send money to other GCash wallet users and it least hassle. Money transfer can be done by a simple QR scan. Pwede na ka din na mag-type-type o ka ng mga number. Pwede rin mo i-scan. Then, GCash allows to use credit services for verified users to withdraw money. Pwede po siya ka na maka-cash out. Then, GCash can be used to make international and local purchases online. So, ang weaknesses po kay difficulty in logging in. Dugay kay siya mo login, muskan ka ng stable kay mong network. Then, sudden app freezing or crashing which can disrupt transactions. Then, unable to send or receive money when there's temporary technical glitches. Sumutag ka nang naay ka nang mo pop up yung messenger, mo kalitra siya og detect dayon, mo quit dayon yung GCash. Balik na pag login. Then, problem on annual or monthly limit on how much money you can transfer. Naabot siya ka ng monthly limit. Then, usay po mabag siya kay masino pa naabot og monthly limit imong na transaction, dili na ka pwede maka send sa ubang users na GCash. Then users want get notification or text message is there's money received when the user does not have internet connection. So dili po siya mo text sa mo ang message kung wala kay load. Dapat kailangan naagi kay load or magpa-wifi ka bago siya mo ma-send ang message nga naay moabot o naay mo transact ni mga kwarta. So, apps sometimes don't open when it is not updated. So, isa po niyo kung wala na update imo ang apps, dili ka maka-login, dili ka maka-open sa apps. Then, error occur during transaction even if the user has good internet connection. Then, and ID scanner for verification sometimes don't work properly. So, kasagaran sinay mahilbo atong inig mag-create kag GCash nga account, inig mag-ID scanner na ka kay dugay kay siya makuha kung sumot nag-blur. So, ang usability goals niya is una is effectiveness. So despite sa mga troubles encountered, GCash is very effective in doing its tasks and goals. Then efficiency. Cleared kaya mga icons and instructions were provided. Then safe to use. Higher security for important information is provided such as biometric face recognition and PIN. So dapat disab na to kalimta na to ang PIN katong inig-login na to katong upat ka buok. So ang utility pwede ka maka-send or receive money, then pwede po ka mo bayad og bills, tapos pwede sab ka mo palit og load diri using GCash, o pwede po ka mag-shop online. So easy to learn. During the first interaction, users will be provided guidelines and tutorial. So open man ning GCash, i-guide din kanila kung unsay gamit sa mga features or icons. Easy to remember. Clear navigations in the interface and characteristics of icons trigger users to remember those actions. So kung matuplok lang nimo ang mga icons diha, ma-remember na din nimo unsay kuan na niya gamit. Dito sa design principles, una is visibility. So ang GCash kay dali kay siya pangitaon sa Play Store. I-search ra nimo yang kanang pangalan. Then because it has been used by a wide variety of people. Then feedback, the response time taken by the GCash app is fully depends on the internet speed of a user. The higher than speed, the better response. The constraints, there is an icon that shows profile limits including the wallet limit, daily outgoing limit at monthly incoming limit. Sa mapping, the GCash icon is very pleasing and relevant to its function. It consists of three elements, the clear and central G. Tapos ang C pod ga symbolize siya og coins and money. Then and the P waves symbolizes the mobile nature of the expanding and growing, that symbolize that all you can do with GCash. So consistency, the function and location of the icons are same whenever you are accessing the app. Then affordance, the app system seems unresponsive sometimes when their app maintenance done. Proceed as recommendation, mao ni ang recommend para ma-further develop pa ang app and ma-avoid ang errors and bugging ma-encounter sa user. So in order to avoid difficulty in logging in, they should expand further development on its first basis logging in. Like for instance, if the users entered incorrect data, it should refresh immediately so that the user can fill up correctly again. Then the issue of app freezing during transaction or interaction with the app can be prevented by including the idea of automatically updated app to the latest version and give notice to the user so that they will know what's happening. Then to be able to send or receive money, make sure to have a great internet connection, correct recipient details, and pay attention to the notification, which consists that the system undergo temporary technical glitches. Ito sa user's perspectives. As a student that has been using GCash for a quite long, it is very convenient for I can make transactions using this app. For instance, paying school tuitions, on the ordering foods and buying school supplies online. But sometimes it's frustrate me because I've encountered bugging and errors during transaction. So my experience with this app is so irritating. It keeps on disappearing from my app drawer, and every time I will log in it, I'll always say something went wrong. Even I restart and check my internet connection, GCash should fix this kind of issue. It is very hassle for the user like me who have online business.